Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video, as you guys can see from the title description, I'm here with my boy who wants smoke, and I'll be driving his Challenger HELLCAT wide body for the first time. It's something that's always been wanting to do, but since he got it, the weather wasn't cooperating, or it was raining, or the car were filthy. So today is the nice day because it's sunny, and let me show you, he is on a tire. We're on a wheel and tire setup, at least in the back. We're running Mickey Thompson's. They're 305. He has a 315 coming up, but as soon as they're in, then he's also waiting on the tires for his, or the skinnies. He has the wheels already, but he's just waiting for the tires also. So it's gonna be a complete setup eventually. The car is kind of stuck, but it's not stuck in a certain way. As you guys may know, we did the exhaust last time we were at Kenny's, and he did a tunnel ramp. I'll put a short video or picture above it. And also he did a diff brace towards the back, and he also swapped to a 309 gears, so that's pretty much compatible to the red eye at that point. It still doesn't have the red eye suspension, I guess. And other than that, obviously red eye has a blower and stuff like that, but slowly getting there. And under the hood, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, it has a Legmaker, and wow, that makes a difference with the whining, because I heard this car 100% stuck, and then as soon as you put the Legmaker on, it was whining in a way different setup. So, and that's pretty cool. Didn't do anything with the pulleys yet, so, and we have a billet technology oil catch can. One other cool thing about the HELLCAT, we have red keys. This one goes to the 707 horsepower that the car has and 650 pound-feet of torque. They also come with a black key, which I don't know why they do it, but you can maybe hand it over to your wife or somebody else, and those go to up kind of a scat pad level around 500. So let's get into this. Ooh, look at this SRT. Man, I've been in this car, but not on the steering wheel, so it's a whole different ball game. So we're gonna start it up. Actually, before we start it up, let's put the window down, because we want to see and hear the startup. Don't want to get copyrighted, so first things first, I'm short and he's tall, so I need to put the seats to the front.
So the Taser, you already started in sport mode.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna go to regular mode.
Yeah, let's go.
So I do have the buttons functions too, so if you just tap that button,
I'm gonna tap this one here.
Take you to regular mode.
Just once?
Yep. So there it go. Yep, no sport up there. No.
Okay, so we're gonna take the easy way. You never know, you know, you're used to 500 but not 700, so it's a different step. So
my tire pressure monitor is on because
yes, the sensors of the, yeah, that is correct. So let me try to see how we're gonna set up the camera, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Got to the stop sign. Sounds good. It's pulling much better than the Scat Pack. That's one thing for sure. Nice. Wow. I wish and hope you guys can hear the whining on the recording, because this thing feels great. Different, definitely different than the Scat, and you can feel it on the seat belts also, how it
just in low miles per hour. Wait till you get to 80 miles. That's when you really feel that supercharger kick in and take over.
Yes. And we're talking, a lot of people say it's just 200 more horsepower. Man, 200 more horsepower makes a difference.
And we're in normal mode. Let's go to track mode.
Yeah, cooling is good. So let's see. Let's switch over to sport mode or track mode.
Yep, let's go to sport mode.
How would you go?
SRT button down here.
SRT button. And then we go to sport mode. We got some cups, so no pulling for right now. Sliding a little bit.
You can feel that sport now. It's a sport now, so it's more active.
Yep. Nice. Nice. As soon as you let go, your body just hits the front. And that's something you do. I mean, you do experience it with the Scatback, but it's much easier to get it, I guess. So let's see. We're gonna try to hit a freeway now. So be in a second. Fifth gear now. It keeps cooling. Definitely no Scatback level right here. Sorry I keep comparing with the Scatback, but that's what I drive, you know. And you can only compare with what you drive. He wants none of the smoke.
Get out of the way.
Does the C8 want to play? Want to play, sir? Oh no, it's with his wife. Keeps cooling even at 80. That was an 80-year-old pool, and it keeps cooling. Wow, that amazed me more than anything else.
Yeah.
When you go 80, my car, you hit the 80 and it's like it's faster than a Honda Accord and a Camry, but nothing like this. So now we're gonna do like a 70. The 70 to 100 is so much fast.
So fast.
So fast.
Get to 100 really quick.
Now I understand when Motofame tells about 60 to 130, how they measure that. I mean, it's unheard of. And that's why supercars are known for that top speed.
Yeah,
This one has a 309 gears.
it's like they don't start acting bad until they get above 70.
Yes, that is correct. Just got back home and I'm very happy, as you guys can see. It was a very wonderful experience to drive a HELLCAT for the first time. That's checkmark on a bucket list. You know, there's a lot of things that you only do once in your life, or the first time doing it you will forever remember, and this is one of them. I want to say thank you to Who Wants Smoke to let me borrow his baby. Not everybody feels comfortable letting somebody else drive your car, and especially, you know, burning the tires a little bit and hitting on it. But it's something we talked about, and he told me the first time he drove a HELLCAT was when he actually bought it, and he wanted to share that experience with me, which I appreciate a lot. Now, please follow my boy here on Instagram. Unfortunately, his main account has been hacked very recently, so he's still working on it to recoup that. But I will, as soon as he gets the new one, he will let me know. I will leave the link down into the description. But you can follow us on different breed. This is the new sticker that I'm gonna place on my car. So once I wash the car, I'm gonna put that new sticker here in the back where it belongs. The other one was peeling a little bit on the side and I didn't like that, so we just got the new one. And I'm kind of tempted to get a HELLCAT, but you know, it's not something that I want right now in my life, or I can't afford, let's put it that way, right now in my life, because I want another car. Plus the prices of the cars are ridiculous right now, and next year will be the last year that they will be making these HELLCATs, so the price unfortunately only will be going up. But right now I cannot make it happen. If I can make it happen and live comfortably, it's not gonna happen. So sometimes you need to think with your head and not with your heart, because you might get in trouble. Now, with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the post notification bell, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.